We're in San Diego here. This area is called Mission Beach, and it's one of the only areas in San Diego where you can fly a drone without having to contact any airports or anything, because there's so many around here. So that's where we're headed. Hopefully that footage came out. You'll have just seen it if it did. Now we're headed, what's the place called?
Plant Power Fast Food.
Plant Power Fast Food. We're going there. It's like fast food, but it's all vegan and stuff. Should be pretty interesting. I call this piece the creative process. Overall, I'd say it was pretty good. I got the classic burger with cheese, and you got...
I don't remember what it's called.
Wake and bacon. The highlight for me was definitely the shakes. I got chocolate, and she got a matcha. Both superb. Plant Power in San Diego. Check them out. Now we're actually leaving San Diego. We're going to stop at a Planet Fitness and shower super quick on the way out of there, and then we're headed... We just looked it up. It's Blair Valley Campground. I'm really excited for that. It's going to be dark, unfortunately, when we get there, but I still think it's going to be pretty cool. Turn the lights off. Yesterday was the end of our first week out actually on the road full time. I think overall it was pretty awesome. I enjoyed it a lot. I think Charlene did too. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
So where we left the last vlog off was when we'd stopped at Redinger Lake. That place was great. Really enjoyed staying there. Would definitely stay there again. After we left Redinger Lake, we just went to a place called Diamond Gyms. It's a little casino like in the middle of nowhere. I don't even remember where it was, but they let people park there. Then after that, we went to Point Mugu by Malibu. It's a state park. We stayed on the beach. We're probably, I don't know, 100, 150 feet away from the ocean itself. It was fantastic. Loved that place. After we left Point Mugu, we went to Long Beach. We stayed in an RV park there. That place was cool. Walked around, had some great Japanese food, had some fun there. But really, we were trying to get to more of this sort of area, more of what you've been seeing, these mountains and just this chill open space where you can kind of hang out and relax a bit more. So after that, we spent one more night in San Diego, which is where this vlog started, and now we're here. First week on the road, I loved it. Like I said, it's awesome. Two things really stood out to me. One, it's much harder than I thought it was going to be. It's a lot of effort moving from place to place all the time. There's always something to do, and I'm working full time while we're doing all this traveling, and I'm just beat at the end of every day. I am totally ready to pass out. That's why I'm only doing one video a week, at least for right now, just because on top of everything else, there's no way that I'd be able to do it. The flip side of that, of it being really difficult, more difficult than I expected, is that it's also way cooler than I expected. It is fantastic. Like I said, waking up next to the beach and listening to the waves all day while I work, just incredibly relaxing. Super nice way to chill out and still be productive. Waking up in these places is just incredible. It really is awesome. So a lot of effort, but the payoff is huge. Totally worth it so far. That's how I feel after 1 week though. We'll see what that's like in a month or two. We just went to the town of Julian, about 25 minutes away, to pick some stuff up. They had this awesome looking hard cider there, super cool bottle. But this is actually, it's called Black and Blue, and it's blackberries and blueberries.
Kind of smells like wine.
That's really good. Delicious.